Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but new year, new me, new hairstyle. I'm going to be trying to bleach my hair to a platinum blonde. Hopefully that turns out okay. This won't be my first time bleaching my hair. It would be the second time doing it myself. So I'm hoping it turns out just fine, but I haven't gone this light before, so we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. So without further ado, let's get this video started. And to start off, I'm going to put coconut oil in my hair and leave it in for about like 30 minutes before I start, just because it like helps keep your hair moisturized. So I'm gonna put this in my hair, wait 30 minutes, and I will be right back. So it's been 30 minutes, so I'm gonna start the bleaching application. I have this powder lightener. I'll leave a link to all the stuff that I'm using in the description below. It says to use 1 packet and then 2 ounces of 20 developer. For professional use only, I want to add. I'm nowhere near a professional, but the person that I watched on YouTube is probably not a professional either, but they use this, and so I'm gonna use it. So let's see how this goes. So my phone died, but I rinsed my hair. I did a shampoo. It's aloe vera, and then I did a deep conditioner for my hair. And obviously, as you can tell, I'm gonna have to do a spot treatment tomorrow. Cause interesting enough, my ends are the ones that didn't get bleached all the way through. So I was expecting that to be my scalp, but it is what it is. So tomorrow I'm going to do a second bleaching. So I'll see you guys then. So I'm back. It's the next day. Obviously we can tell my hair decided, let's not dye at the roots. So I'm going to be doing patch bleaching and getting the rest of my hair blonde, bleach, yellow, whatever. So I'm gonna go back in with the coconut oil. I don't think I'm gonna use as much as I did yesterday because I feel like I used a bit. So I'm gonna use it less, just on my ends, and then leave that in for 30 minutes and come back to bleach my hair. So be right back. All right, I'm back and it's been 30 minutes. Moved my mirror in here so I can see what I'm doing in the back. So let's get started with the bleaching process. Alright, now that my hair's all washed out and I got my bleach color, I'm going to use the toner T18 and then mix it with the volume 20. So let's get started. So it's a few days later. As you can see, my hair didn't really like get to the platinum blonde that I wanted with that 20 volume and T18 toner. So I got this purple shampoo, and this is my last attempt at getting the platinum blonde that I want. So if this doesn't work, fuck it, I'm gonna do like a half and half dye hair color style because I've always wanted to try that. So here's to hopefully getting the platinum blonde that I want. Same day, different time. Obviously my hair didn't turn platinum blonde, but it's still cute. I like it. I'll keep it for a few days and then I'm going to do a split dye of black and copper. So it's a win-win. I got to have fun bleaching my hair and see if I could do a platinum blonde. Obviously not. But at least I get to do a split dye. So I think that's a win in my book. hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying to achieve the unachievable, but still having fun. In no way am I a professional, obviously. So I wouldn't say this is a follow guide. This is more of a watch me fail successfully guide. But anyway, if you want to see more videos like this or more makeup videos, I will be putting out more. I know I'm lollygagging, or I was for a really long time, but they'll be back. Anyway, if you want to see more of that, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys when I'm split dyeing my hair. Bye!